IJK Sports! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell. So, today we have the Hot Wheels track here, down the stairs, and then off that, yeah, and then off that tub thing is a ramp. So, yeah. I have 3 cars. I have this car, and I have this car, and I also have this car. So, yeah. I'm gonna do 3 tries at it since I have 3 cars, because I don't really want to go down the stairs all the way just to get the car. So, yeah. So, here we go. First car. I think I'll start out with this car. So, yeah. Trying to figure out the camera angle here. Oh wow, you saw it already went all the way down there. Next car will be this car. There we go. So yeah. Oh wow. I think I see what our problem was with that last one. Like, if you see right there, that right there is tilted. I'm pretty sure that's our problem. So I think I'll just fix it and then I'll try it again. Here. Okay. Okay. So which one should I use for the last try? I'll just go ahead and grab this car. I think I'm gonna try this car again. So, yeah, here we go. Okay. So now, let's try this again. This car with the flames. Here we go. That was really good. And that was also kind of funny because where it landed was right here on this piece of cardboard. Yeah. Oh, I just saw where my last one went. It's right there. Kind of hard to see it, but I'll get that out. Got it. So, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell. And, yeah, I'll see you next time from IJK Sports.